Well, here we are again, Jrods Garage. Thank you guys for watching these videos, supporting the channel. Really appreciate that. This is just something that's a hobby for me because I'm a gearhead, and we decided to start doing content, and you guys have responded to it, so thank you. Behind me is a 2002 35th anniversary black on tan SS Camaro. Once again, I graduated high school 2003. If you would have had a black SS Camaro, you would have been the man. So it's one of those cars I always wanted, couldn't afford back then, so I bought one. And you know, like most things I buy, it's got a story, and someone was trying to play Drift King and not exactly sure what happened, but they smashed it up pretty good. We actually cut the bumper off with a Sawzall. They crushed this corner. Good news is I don't think it got into the hatch. Tail light, Berger panel, all that's gonna have to be replaced. I think lower control arm. I bought an extra set of wheels off Facebook just to get it driving. And what's cool about it is it actually drives pretty damn good. I'll kind of show you the setup. It's a, to my knowledge, it's a 100 and something thousand mile stock motor, 02 35th anniversary SS Camaro with a little bit done to it. Nothing too wild. It's got a fast 92, I think. Yeah, fast 92 millimeter intake, 92 millimeter throttle body. It is a factory SLP car. It's got a nice set of headers on it. You know, I always do this quotation, quote unquote, built 4L60E in a camshaft, you know, simple stuff, catch can. It sounds good. It runs pretty good. It isn't going to go set the world on fire, but I'm not looking for this car to be fast. We're going to get this car tuned, get it properly done, put a windshield in it, clean it up, and just have another true iconic 90s, 2000s era car. That's what I'm after, man. Like, I guess I'm just old and I'm trying to relive my childhood, but this car runs and drives. And to me, these cars are, when you look at them from the front, like you see that front with the SS Camaro and the cow hood. And I don't know, like these were the cars in high school for me. And it's just cool. I was able to obtain this car. This side's in pretty good shape. Typical SS. It does have some damage in this quarter here. I think this will be PDRable. Not exactly sure what happened there, but it runs and drives. And like I said, I don't like to buy cars done. I like to make them mine. It gives me a canvas to build on, and we're gonna do that. And we'll start it up. I'll take you guys for a rip. Hey Garrett, you in a video when we leave? Because I'm gonna do a big burnout.
Right off the bat?
Yep. Because it is like almost out of gas. But yeah, like these cars, I'm not gonna sit here and bore you with a bunch of stuff about these cars because I don't know a lot about these cars. I know they made the LS1 in these cars from what I believe was 98 to 2002. I know the Corvette, I believe, got them in 97. This is the last year they put the LS1 in the Camaro before they discontinued it. I don't know a lot about the ins and outs, and I know it's got a 4L60 and LS1. It's the 35th car. It's got the factory. It's pretty factory, and I like that. It's got the T-tops, which is super cool. You know what? I think we should pop T-tops off. I've never had the T-tops off. It's nice today. Should just be able to pull that handle, and then it just pops right out. You know, you think Camaro with T-tops, I mean, that's just 90s as hell, right? You know, they got the old Brooks and Dunn song, you drive a T-top Camaro with a scoop on the hood. That's this car, man, and that's the era of stuff that I like. But yeah, like, power-wise, it's all there, and it runs really good.
You get a good deal?
Yeah, I bought it for $4,500. So I felt like that was a solid deal, even though it's got some body damage. But like, you can just sit here, I mean, it'll just... I mean, it does Camaro things. It does Camaro things, and it does them well, and we are smooth out of gas, so I won't give you guys a big, long drive, but it's a project. I mean, the steering wheel's cockeyed, it needs alignment, it needs some love in the rear, I know it needs a control arm, but it runs and drives, and the air conditioner blows cold. So for $4,500, I didn't think I'd get hurt, and it's gonna give us another great car to build on and kind of make it our own, and that's what I like to do.
You should mention the back end being, I feel like we're driving sideways.
Oh, we're definitely driving a little cockeyed. The car wanting to pull us a little right because I don't know what all he's messed up back there, but that just kind of gives it a little bit of uncertainty, which that's cars, man. But yeah, I mean, you hammer it, it pulls solid. I mean, that's 100. The brakes have a little bit left to be desired. But man, it's a 4th gen F body. These cars are kind of junky, but they were junky in the right way. And I don't know, like I said, this is gonna be a fun car. We're gonna put a bigger cam in it, and we're gonna do some really big burnouts. I'll do one right here in the driveway for you guys. Kind of the perk of having a...
Here, I'm gonna get the back.
Okay. There we go. That's the Camaro thing. That's what I like to do. I mean, that's what you do in a Camaro. You take the T-tops off and you do burnouts. Well, I shifted into 3rd and it showed like 110 miles an hour, so we had some wheel speed.
Holy God.
But it's still smoking.
Yeah.
Like, besides that little crunch corner, like, when I think SS Camaro, that's my Camaro. That's my generation Camaro. I'm not a 1st gen, 2nd gen guy. I owned a 3rd gen IROC for a while. Pretty big piece of shit. This one's a piece of shit too, but not quite as bad. But man, it's just cool cars. So we're gonna get this car back on the road in the next couple months. I bought a parts car. I bought another 2002 SS parts car that's a roller. So we're gonna get all the underneath side, we're gonna get a fender, we're gonna get the things we need to get it right, get it over to Brian, and have another really cool car from this era, and I'll be in it right. You know, I bought the car for 4,500 bucks. After body work, cam, and some mods, probably doing it for 7-8 grand, and have a really cool car, you know? So once again, thank you guys for watching these videos, these 90s, 2000s cars that I'm ecstatic about and I'm passionate about. Obviously, if you guys are watching it, you're probably passionate about it too. Keep following along, keep hitting subscribe, because I'm bringing my Viper back. 2002 ACR twin turbo Viper, I just dropped it off. I got the motor sitting over there, so that's gonna be a video that's fixing to hit the channel. Home built twin turbo Viper, so follow.